natin today si Mr. Jerome Tan, one of the owners of Cluckies. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hi. Sir, what makes Korean style chicken different from the usual fast food chicken?
Two main things. First, it's coated with most of the flavor is applied after it's fried. Second, it's double fried, meaning what happens is you render out most of the fat, so it's healthier than your usual fried
chicken. So, tell us about the two styles or flavors available here in Cluckies.
We have both soy garlic and spicy.
So, what do you prefer?
I prefer mix of both, but most people prefer soy garlic.
Sounds good, sir, Naku, mga ka-homepage, ipapakita naman namin sa inyo ang mga katakam-takam at kabubusagan dito. So, mga ka-homepage, oras na para matakam at mabusog. So, Sir Jerome, ano po ba yung mga must-try dito sa Cluckies?
Our chicken, made with New York's Manfred chicken sauce, yung drumsticks and wings. So they're all double fried. And then we have our chicken burger, also double fried with Manfred chicken sauce, soy garlic or spicy. And we have our Parmesan fries. You see nothing everywhere else like that. Parmesan fries, yes. So with Parmesan cheese, French fries. And then yung rice meals namin, bulgogi rice and kimchi rice. Kimchi rice comes with, prepared with sausage, chicken, or tofu. We also have salads, house salad, fruits, seasonal fruits, so iba-iba every day. And our chicken tender salad. So tenders is breast, part of the chicken. So we top it with mustard dressing. And this is actually sesame ginger dressing. And then our new dishes, omelet. We have here corn and mushroom omelet. And of course, tomato and onion omelet. We have another one, adventurous meal, kimchi omelet.
No. Kimchi omelet?
Tastes good. Of course, we have our gelato. And these are all homemade, custom made. And we keep adding flavors. Now, flavor natin, strawberry, mango tango, salted caramel, coffee choco crunch, and chocolate, Oreo cheesecake, and banoffee.
Nakakagutom mga ka-homepage, Thank you very much, Mr. Jerome.
Thank you.
Ngayon naman, ito yung best part, tikiman part! Mga ka-homepage, patuloy nyo kaming samahan, matakam at ubusog dito lang sa Chibog at Home.